Been a while. Good to see you. I just wanted to make a quick video, kind of just to let you know where I've been, what's been going through my head, and kind of like the future of the channel. Nothing too serious or anything depressing like that, but I basically just needed to take a break. The channel was getting a little frustrating to me, trying to figure out how to work with the algorithm, all the research, all the time and energy spent on trying to create thumbnails and titles that would appeal to people, and content that people want, which I think over the years I've gotten better at, and researching what people really want. But I feel like my videos have been going unnoticed, and so that really put a damper on things. I just got tired of putting a lot of effort and time and work and energy into the videos and kind of not getting a whole lot back in return. It has been a lot of ups and downs, but I kind of feel like I just needed a break. Just needed to clear my head a little bit, re-examine, reformulate if necessary, and come back with kind of like a clearer head, a clearer mind. There's been a lot of gradual support, which has been super, super nice. A lot of you have been commenting and sending messages, and it's been so much more just necessary and enjoyable than you may ever know. It kind of came at a time when I was, yeah, like I said, reevaluating and rethinking what I wanted to do. This isn't a video to complain about YouTube and about the almighty algorithm and all of that. It's just to say, I think my videos are having a hard time getting out to the right people. And it was frustrating. I feel better about it. I've had some time to think about it. Yeah, I'm happy with the growth that is happening. I'm kind of happy that it's slow and not super fast. So that's really one of the positives about the channel. And I really, really want to focus on just giving, great quality information and great quality videos to you guys, great recipes that you can try out. And I want to, one of the ultimate goals is to create a kind of community where people don't feel ashamed to ask questions. They can ask questions whether they feel it's stupid or not, and we're all here just to learn and have a good time. And I believe that is slowly growing. So that's exciting to see, which is another reason why I don't want to get rid of the channel or make any drastic changes to it, because I see there's a lot of positives along with the negatives. So that's where that's at. I'm right in the middle of getting ready for Comic-Con, training for Comic-Con. Yes, I'm training because I want to wear a particular cosplay, and possibly getting ready for a competition in October. So because all of that is happening, and there's been some life changes, job changes, and whole bunch of stuff that has happened in my life. In August, I'm going to probably put out about 3 long form videos a week, which is the scariest thing, because the long form videos, especially the recipes, aren't performing at the level that I would like them to perform at. And so I'm doing it kind of just for me, and I hope you guys like it as well. The first 2 videos of the week are just training videos, and they're in preparation with me and my buddy Chris, who you've seen in a lot of the shorts, getting ready for Comic-Con, like I said. So there are 2 training vlogs a week, and then a recipe video or a edible knowledge, so an info video. One of the two, we've been doing in the past, going back and forth, recipe, info, going back and forth. So that is just a little change there. And that's only for the month of August because Comic-Con here is happening in September 6th to 8th. That's the gist of it right now. If you've stuck around from the very beginning, I love you. You are awesome. And I super, super appreciate you. If you've just like come in within the last year, within the last months or weeks, thank you as well. Please enjoy the ton of videos that I have here on the channel. That's another thing. I've gone through the playlist and I've cleaned up the playlist. I've gotten rid of a couple of videos that I thought were just old and not good. As you get more and more experience, more and more knowledge, your ingredients possibly change. And so I didn't want to keep some of the videos around. So a lot of them are gone. A lot of them are out of the playlist. That's what's happening. That's what's in my head. Everything came out kind of like a one shot because I didn't want to do a whole lot of editing. But if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I hope you stick around. And if you're new here, thanks for watching this video. It's a weird video to start on, but I appreciate it. At least you know what the future holds, right, for the channel. That's it. That's all. I'll talk to you guys probably in another 2 weeks or so. I'll be back full time, full steam ahead, upwards and onwards. See you later.